We're going to continue on building the image assets for our landing page. Okay, so just to recap, we've already built the image assets for a couple of things, and let me just load up our existing landing page on Webflow, and I'll show it to you and see what we have. Let me just pull up on another screen here. Again, I'm still not convinced that the messaging on the landing page is correct, but let's move forward with this so far. So we already have this image here we've created on Sketch, and we created these three images last time on our last live stream. So today we're going to try to finish this up. We're going to create an image here and three more down here. And that should be it for our scoped out project. Yeah. So the point of these images is to demonstrate what this app is supposed to be. I've been thinking that actually I also want to update this page a little bit. I want to add just maybe one more link here. And I just want to also add a link to like my blog. And I was thinking about, and this blog will link to maybe the top level page here of our Get Me here. Let's clean this up so we can post this live. I'm just I guess sort of building up this this blog page. First, this is a SaaS business tool that will allow you to display your GitHub issues in a better way when discussing with non-technical people. It's kind of I'm just kind of repeating what this is. Okay, and let's see. Let's find the link for this. Share, copy link, and I think this blog will then link to that page. Okay. Let's see. Just a URL link. Open this up in a new tab. So that way you can follow along. Okay. So this is not dealing with the image assets, but I've been meaning to do that. So if we go here to my Webflow page, later I'm going to download this and put it onto my actual website. And you see this. Okay. Let's put it to the left. How do I change that? It should be centered sort of halfway here. So maybe this should be like 75%. Let's see. Max height and 3. Let's see if this is absolute. Should I increase this? Oopsie. It's funny because there's auto here, so as we move this up, it goes back and forth. I wonder if we shouldn't have this, but really it should be just be on the right side. It should be somewhere centered here. Hero content, this is also relative. So absolutely, it should just be 75% here. How are you going to do this? What if I did some? What was that? No. 75%. So it needs to be slightly below that. What if I did 60%? How come it moves around so funny? 60. Okay. Oh, let's go back. 56. And then what happens if I change this? No, it's not right. Is it right? Because I mean, this should be lower. I feel like I should. I think it was what? Let's put it back, huh? Let's go with this. I think it was 3 VW. Let's just leave it there for now. Okay, cool. So we have this landing page and we change this blog, and this blog should hopefully go to this this page. Perfect. Yes. Okay, good. Okay, perfect. I want to have like a little hover over thing that says "Follow me as I build this live." So I wonder how we do that. Hover over what is called hover over notification Webflow. Reveal on hover, yes. Maybe this is what I want. Use a hover interaction to reveal child elements when you hover over a parent element, okay? Select your link block and then actually click the plus sign to add element trigger and choose mouse hover over. Okay, good. Maybe this is for another video. Let's save that for another video. But I will add this to my GitHub. Add it as a issue. Okay, that's sort of what I want. And do I have one for landing page? Yes, we can do that. Okay, perfect. So I'm just going to minimize this for now. And let's go back to creating our image assets. Okay. So we have a couple more to make. These are the ones I made the last time here. It's funny how the back doesn't show. Oh, because it's right. I think if I change, how do I change the dark mode here? Yes, you can see it better here because it's a transparent background. Okay, so let's make this image here. This image is going to be something similar to the main image, but then we're going to have a bucket here with GitHub Issues. So let's load up Sketch. Okay. Okay, cool. And let's sort of recreate what our landing page looks like here. So let's copy this, and let's paste that there, and let's copy the style here, and let's paste that here. Okay, it should be left aligned. And basically, let's see, connect you with your GitHub. So let's make it this here. Choose my cat to come join us. Okay, good. So we want to create something here that looks like this. Okay. Okay, so I already have some assets. So my pet wants some catting. My cat wants some petting. Let's see. So I'm wondering if we could recreate this and then also bring in the buckets. So let's see if we can put this here. Hello, cat. Oh, you're making yourself comfortable? Okay. So let's see. The GitHub bucket should look a little bit different from the view here. And let's look at my product. We designed this out already. So let's see if we can just copy and paste this issue bucket. Paste it here. Okay. Let's see how we can recreate this here. Okay, I don't think I would use these. I'll use these same things here. So maybe let's just use this. Let's just use this part here. We'll call this GitHub Issues bucket, and let's make this a little bit of a different style here. So maybe let's just do this, this, and this. And we do want this scrollable bar here. There we go. Last time I remembered how to center in. Oh, my cat is being a little bit annoying. Let me just move them away. Come here, cat. He's in a playful mood now. Push him off. Oh, 苹果. You want to say hi, 苹果? Say hello. Meow. Okay. Sorry about that. Okay, let's try to paste this here and view. How do I center select here? Command 3. Where are you? You're just here. Okay. No. I copied you. Where did I copy you to? Okay, so you're still here. Okay, great. So let's put that scroll bar here. Okay. And maybe let's get rid of the rounded corners. Maybe no border. Let's see. And let's maybe just make it a different color, huh? I think it should be a little bit. I guess because I don't have a color scheme yet. I do have a color scheme, but I'm not really using it. Okay. Cool. Okay, let's use my color scheme. Didn't I save document? Here, this one. Okay. Ugh. It was green? No. Okay. It's just different gray. And let's see, let's organize these a little bit better. And let's see, this should be 15. There we go, let's align this 15, 15, and let's put a few more. 15. Let's see, maybe I should just space out 4 of them. Or do you think I can fit a 5th one in? There we go. Can we space these out evenly? Okay, yeah, that we could do that. How much? It's just 2. Okay, cool. Let's just copy these 2 again. Bring it down here, and sorry. Let's get these guys here. 3, 4, 5. Let's do one more down here. Okay. And how do I cover this up? Like, how do I mask it? What if I did group this together? Okay, these are all grouped issues. Bucket issues. And I want to have a mask with this background here. These bucket issues. Would a mask work? Yes, there we go. A mask. Perfect. Okay. And to be honest, I do want it to just be spaced out a little bit more so that it kind of hides underneath. There we go. And let's add some more variation to this. So maybe let's make this a different color. Blue. Green. Let's take this one out. Let's change this one here. Yellow. Okay. and let's turn this one into. I think we can change this here. Yeah. Replace with. I think we replace with a symbol. Document. Here we go. Closed issue. There we go. Perfect. It looks a little bit squashed. Oopsie. Okay. Okay. Cool. Yes. Let's get rid of these. We don't need that. And we want to show that we can drag and drop these in. I think I drew like an arrow or something. Yes. So I had a couple blue arrows. These blue arrows are terrible, but let's be consistent. And let's reuse these blue arrows. Okay. And so I'm just going to move these pointers here. To make this a bit shorter. Okay, good. And I want that icon where you can. It's this mouse icon here. I wonder what it's called. Let's see if we have an icon for this. Maybe it's called Move. Yes, here we go. Perfect. This. Add this. It's black. Should I make it white? Let's try that again. Okay. Okay, let's make this white, huh? I think it's FFF. Yes. Okay. Where'd you go, buddy? Where is it? Ah. Sometimes I find it so random where they place these things. Okay. Here we go. Let's bring you down. Okay, maybe it's too white. Maybe it should be like a nice dark gray or something. Move, view box, icon. I don't need this view box, so I'm just going to ungroup this. And this is going to be move icon. And icon path. Okay, so actually I can just fill it out here. Okay. Yeah, maybe let's do like this. Maybe it should be bigger as well. So let's lock this together and let's go up to 25 maybe. Yes. Okay. How does that look? It looks kind of strange, right? Maybe it gets the message across. That's all I need for now, until I get some more coaching on styling. I just need it to get the message across. Red? No, white. Maybe use one of these colors here. Okay, let's try that one. Okay, I wonder if I still need this GitHub logo here. Okay, cool. Let's just stick with this here. This is going to be called the solution image. I gave a name for these things. This is solution image, yes. Done. And let's export this. We got 1x, 2x. I don't think we need 1x. I don't think we need that suffix. Let's just do 2x. Let's see. Yeah, okay. Okay, cool. Let's export this. Solution image, okay. And let's load it into our GitHub. I'm sorry, our Webflow. There we go. Okay, I just have this on another screen, my Finder, and I'm just going to drag it in. Solution image. Here we go. Good. And so let's change this with the solution image. Did it change? Okay, perfect. So max width, maybe let's see, 70%. Oh, what happened here? No, I think that's not what we want. Maybe max height should be 80%. Does that do anything? No. Let's see this image. Here's the block. Let's see how this is laid out. Solution wrap. So this is in Flexbox. Let's see, really this Flexbox, I want it to be centered. So maybe something like this here. Let's see. This Flexbox, and then how's this one done? If I shrink this image, the size of this image, let's do 50%. Oh, but it's squeezing it, huh? Is it squeezing it? Yeah, it's squeezing it. What if I increase the margin? Nope. If it did auto? No, it doesn't do anything. How do I maintain the aspect ratio and resize this thing so that it's on the right side? What is this? Let's try this. Resize image, keep aspect ratio, Flexbox. Okay. So if you just find one side, then the other side is resized to keep aspect ratio, and by default, image expand to the original size. You wrap each image tag into a div tag and set its width to 100% of the parent div, then height will be, okay, I see. So maybe we should wrap this with a div. So I'm going to use Command E to insert something here, which is a div block. And then this div block can be a width of, say, 50%. There we go, perfect. Let's bring it down a little bit. Actually, the parent div block should have a little bit of spacing here, so let's do that. I think. Is that what I want? Is it too much spacing? Oh, how come it shrunk? Okay. So yeah, maybe let's make this 60%. Oh, that's a lot. It should be over 50%, right? 50% is this whole thing, so maybe it should be 45. How come it's all the way over here? Maybe they should be next to each other, huh? Like this? Yeah, maybe that is better. But I guess I still want, this is the 50% line here for the screen. I still want it to be over there, so maybe I need to have two full div blocks with the width. Maybe the width should be, oh, why is it jumping? I wonder if it's some sort of bug within the editor here. Let's publish this, and let's see how it looks like here. Okay, this looks fine. Okay, I think in Webflow we have what we want. How did the solution wrap determine its width, huh? I wonder. Okay. Anyways, leave it like that. And let's move forward. So I'm going to put the solution image here and drag it in. Great. So this is done. 3 more to go. Okay, good. So the first feature is create custom views and drag GitHub issues into them to promote proper discussion with management. So I think we're just going to have a single view, and you can drag issues into them. Okay, so let's do that. It's going to be pretty simple, to be honest. It's going to be a white background. So let's call this use the desktop HT, and let's call this the features section. This is not page, but section. And then hero is hero section. Let's make sure we stay consistent. Here we go. Okay, features section. So what we're going to have is something like this. It's going to be on the left side. Let's drag this artboard down. Give some space. And what is this font size? 30 pixels. Huh? No. 16. Okay. And it's left aligned, and it's kind of somewhere right there. So we're going to create something here. And I think what we'll do is, let's see, maybe should we use this browser thing still? Okay, why not? Oh, let's see. Hold on, this was not included. Well, I left some stuff out. Yeah, the arrow and the cursor thing is not part of it. So actually, let's include that there. And this should also be included. Image solution. Yes. Scroll bar. Oh, here's a scroll bar that I'm not using. This scroll bar needs to be in there. So let's include that in here. Okay, get me allows. Nope, we don't need that. This. What is this group here? Okay, text. Okay. So now my problem statement image should have all this stuff. So let's export that again. Okay, save. Let's replace it. Yes. And I wonder if we just drag the same thing in here, if it will replace it with the same name. Yeah, maybe. Let's see. No. What is this? I don't need that image. Oh, no, I still don't have it. Where is it? Solution image. Solution image. Oh, did I drag these into the wrong thing? No, it's in solution image. Yeah, it's there. Let's export this again. Solution image, yes. Save. We should replace it, yes. Okay, here we go. Now I see that it's there. Let's put it on Webflow. Let's see. I hope it just replaces it. No, it doesn't. So let's delete this. Let's replace this first. And then let's delete the old one. There we go. I just want to delete it because I just want to keep this clean. Delete, yes. Solution image, okay, good. Great. Okay, so let's see if we can reuse the solution image here. Okay. So I think I'm not going to have this issues bucket here. Let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of one of these views. Okay, let's undo that. Let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of most of these guys here. And I think I just want to drag and drop this. So it'll be something here. Yes. Maybe it should come down here this way. Okay. And we can drag and drop this. Shorten this up. Move this down. There we go. Great. Great. Okay. Nice and clean. Let's group this together. I think it's clean. Should we bring this down here? Where does it go? Here? Okay. Maybe this can be barred up a little bit more as well. Okay. Let's drag this here. Okay. Yeah, I think it looks okay. So let's call this feature image 1. Good. So we got that first one. Let's do the second one. The second feature is that place the same GitHub issue in multiple views at the same time. So it's going to be similar, but we're going to drag it into two columns. So let's use this layout here that we have, and let's place it here. It'll be on the right side. Let's ungroup this. Let's take these out. Let's take this out. Let's take this out. This window, let's shorten it. And let's use this one here. Where'd you go? Copy it, place it here. Okay. So now we can drag and drop this thing. And we can have it point to here, and we can also have it point to, not here, have another arrow pointing to another view. Here. Okay. 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 So I need 2 of these. Okay, I think it gets the point across. Let's take out the scroll bar and have that done. So you can drag the same issue to multiple views. Fine. Let's copy this. Let's copy the style. Place it here. Paste style. But this one will be right aligned. Okay. Kind of like that. And so this will be, let's group this together. And this one will be feature image 2. Let's do one more. What was the third feature? It's organize your issues in a way that makes more sense to non-technical stakeholders, not just developers. So I think we're going to have 3 views, and we'll say priority next week and most costly, or maybe it should be like low-hanging fruit. Maybe that's what the third one should be. So actually, it's a repeat of this. It's actually just this, I think. Let's remove the GitHub issue. We don't need that. Let's size down the window here, and let's say low-hanging. Let's call this low-hanging fruit. Okay, so these are. We want to focus on the names here. So I wonder if we should make these into my little text blocks here. These little text blocks that I have. What if I do that? Let's see. Zoom in a little bit, just make it a little bit thicker. Okay. How does that look? Yeah, okay, that's fine. Because it's not important what these views are named. We just have to have a placeholder for the title. So let's do that here too. Okay, so the focus is not the title name. How many pixels is that away from here? 14. Let's make it 10. Okay, good. This needs to be part of this image here. There we go. And let's do the same thing with these guys here. No, it's not part of the window, sorry. Feature image 2, feature image 1, okay. Where is this located? Oh, it is within the image. There you go. Okay. This feature image 2 is now opened. Yeah, okay, so it's part of it. It was 10 away, right? Let's do 10. Okay. And then finally here we show the titles of the views. Let's copy this, place this here, and have this style, paste style. I could use this save styles here, but these are just placeholders. They're not really important. It's kind of just copy pasted this. So it's just to see how positionally it looks. Okay. Maybe I should move this thing here. 15. Let's see, what is it's 14? Okay, let's try 14. If I space these out like this, see what happens. Where are we? 23, 24, 23. Okay, let's make it 20. And let's center it then. Okay. So then we'll group these guys, and then we'll center it within here. There we go. So you can align with this guy, and you can align with this guy. Okay, good. Maybe just like slightly cleaner. Okay, and this one is going to be called feature image 3. So where is this? Okay, feature image 3. Good. So we have 1, 2, and 3. Oopsie. Okay, and let's place all these together here. There, we keep it clean. Feature 1, 2, and 3. Have them. 1, 2. Okay, let's put that there. Good. Okay. So should we export this? Make it exportable, yes. Okay, it should be 2x. And we should also export this. Make it 2x. Feature image 2. Let's export this one here. And let's export this one here. Okay, so I have 3 featured images now. Let's upload them and let's see how they look here. One, 2, and 3. Let's replace this with 1. Huh. Oh yeah, here we go. Perfect. Okay. Replace this with number 2. Oh wait. Oh, I got it mixed up. This is number 1 here. Number 1. This one should be number 2. And this one should be number 3. Okay. Create custom views and drag GitHub issues into them to promote proper discussion with management. Okay. I don't know if this is clear. I don't think this drives home. This is not a good selling point yet. We'll have to change this. But send GitHub issue into multiple views at the same time. Okay. I think this is kind of interesting. And organize your issues in a way that makes more sense to non-technical stakeholders, not just developers. Priority issues. Next 2 weeks, low-hanging fruit. Okay. Okay, I think generally the message is there then with these diagrams. Cool. Let's publish this, and let's also download it and upload it to my website. So let's download the code. And then we can update getgitme.com, which doesn't have the photos yet. Cool. I'm very glad that we finished this. We finished this pretty quickly because we had already built assets. We reused a lot of the stuff that we already had. So let's just bring this in here. 1, 2, and 3. Great. Okay. It's not the best design. It can certainly be improved quite a bit. But we won't focus on that for now. Okay. Cool. I think they're just exporting the. So this is what it looks like. No, this is not yet. This is my current web page. So these images will all be replaced, and then we'll also get an update on the blog. So this is now how it looks. Okay. I wonder if these are too small. Anyways. Okay, prepare zip. Yes. Download zip. Good, that's ready. I'll put it on my desktop. Yeah, I have older versions, and I can just erase that. That's fine. Okay. So right now, how my thing is hosted, it's hosted on an S3 bucket on Amazon. So I'm just going to log into my console on a separate screen here and upload it onto AWS. And then S3, once they see that there's new files there, I'm using AWS Amplify that will automatically pick up those changes on S3 and publish them. I haven't updated this before, so let's see how this works. So let me just sign in offline first. Okay, I'm going to open up my Amplify and also my S3. There you go. And it's being a bit slow today. Okay. Okay, so here is my bucket. Oh, it's a zip file. And so actually, I don't need to extract it. Maybe I should save this. Let's see. Webflow downloads. Okay. This one is 2020 0924. Let's go to this, and we'll have another one for 2020 1012. Okay. Okay, so let's go back in here. Let's upload. I'm going to upload another file that has the same file name. So let's see if it we'll just erase it or overwrite it. Upload this. Let's see if this will work. Okay, good. Looks like it's okay. If we refresh, then hopefully the last modified will update. Nope, not yet. Keep demanding. Grant public access. Next. Next. Upload. Successful. View details. Okay. Okay. Maybe I need to how to update file in S3. Yes. Append to it. Okay. When you upload an object, it creates a new version if it already exists. Okay. Object operations. Okay. Updating existing blob with fresh data. It doesn't differ from creating a version either. Very same put option is used to upload the option. It will override the existing one. You can find complete code. Okay. Okay. So maybe it seems like I should just delete this thing and just upload it again. Okay. Okay. Let's try this. Let's just keep everything standard. I didn't make it public. Let's see if it works. Okay. Uploaded. Where is it going? Keep on saying it's uploaded, but where is it? Where are you, buddy? Upload, add files. Yep, this is the right one. Next, 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 upload. Keep saying successful, but I don't see it. Where are you, buddy? Where's my file? Is it here? Here it is. Okay, done. So it's here. And what happens? How do I update this? So app settings. This is my front-end landing page with AWS Amplify. So front-end, see domain management general, and it's source repository production environment. Auto build enabled. So it's this thing here. Let's see, what is this backend environments? No, I don't need that. Because it's connected to my S3 bucket. Action. How does auto build with S3, I wonder? This is what I'm trying to make sure it works. Okay. Getme.com. Let's just refresh to see if it's done already. I doubt it has. Okay. Update AWS Amplify build S3. AWS Amplify, let's see. What is it called? Console. Yes, I was just here. Let's see. Build settings. Associate build settings. Okay. But I don't have any of these YAMLs. I don't have this. I'm not connected to repo. I'm connected to an S3 folder. Maybe this is the opportunity for us to actually put this onto a repository. Okay, let me stop the video for now, and because I just want to get some food, and maybe in the next video we'll update this. Okay, thanks for watching. See ya.